Tea lovers know the importance of a good electric kettle in their quest for the perfect cup of tea. With advancements in technology, electric kettles have become essential tools for brewing tea with precision and convenience. Hello, guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will tell you about the best 8 top-rated electric kettles for tea lovers. Before starting the video, be sure to smash the like button and subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Now let's get started. 1. Breville. The Breville BTM 800XL One-Touch Tea Maker is a true gem for tea lovers. It features a fully automated tea basket that gently agitates the leaves for optimal infusion and extraction. The kettle offers customizable temperature and steeping time settings, ensuring a perfect brew every time. With a keep warm feature, your tea will stay at the ideal temperature for up to 60 minutes. The sleek stainless steel design and intuitive interface add to its appeal, making it a must-have for those who seek precision and convenience in their tea brewing process. 2. Cuisinart CPK17. The Cuisinart CPK17 Perfect Temp Electric Kettle stands out with its versatility and precision. With 6 preset temperature settings, it caters to various tea types, including delicate green teas and robust black teas. The Keep Warm function maintains the desired temperature for up to 30 minutes. Boasting 1,500 watts of power, this kettle rapidly boils water, minimizing your waiting time. Its stainless steel construction ensures durability, while the 360-degree swivel base allows for easy pouring. Combining functionality and style, the CPK17 is an excellent choice for tea lovers who value versatility and precise temperature control. 3. Zojirushi CDLFC30. The Zojirushi CDLFC30 Panorama Window Micom Water Boiler and Warmer is a high-quality kettle that combines functionality with a modern design. It features multiple temperature settings, allowing you to brew different types of tea with ease. The large panorama window displays the water level, adding convenience to your brewing process. The energy-saving timer function and the quick temp mode make this kettle both efficient and fast. With a 3-liter capacity and sturdy stainless steel construction, the Zojirushi CDLFC30 is a reliable choice for tea lovers who enjoy brewing tea for larger groups or gatherings. 4. Fellow Stag. The Fellow Stag EKG Electric Pour-Over Kettle is a visually stunning kettle designed to cater to the needs of tea enthusiasts. Its gooseneck spout provides precise control over water flow, ensuring a perfect pour each time. The variable temperature control allows you to set the ideal temperature for different types of tea. The built-in brew stopwatch helps you achieve consistent results, and the hold feature keeps the water at your desired temperature for up to 60 minutes. With its minimalist design, temperature display, and durable construction, the Stag EKG is a remarkable kettle that combines aesthetics with functionality. 5. KitchenAid. The KitchenAid KEK 1222SX electric kettle is a stylish addition to any tea lover's kitchen. Its compact design and vibrant color options make it an eye-catching choice. With a 1.25-liter capacity and 1,500 watts of power, it quickly boils water for your tea. The removable base allows for easy serving and cord-free pouring. The LED on/off switch and the clear water window enhance usability. Made of stainless steel, the KEK 1222SX is durable and easy to clean. 6. Hamilton Beach. The Hamilton Beach 40880 electric kettle offers simplicity and efficiency at an affordable price. With its 1,500-watt heating element, it quickly brings water to a boil. The automatic shut-off feature provides safety and prevents the kettle from boiling dry. The drip-free spout and the easy pour design make serving hassle-free. The 1.7-liter capacity is suitable for brewing multiple cups of tea. Made of durable stainless steel, this kettle is built to last. If you're looking for a reliable and budget-friendly option, the Hamilton Beach 40880 is a solid choice. 7. OXO Brew. The OXO Brew adjustable temperature electric pour-over kettle is engineered to deliver precision and control in your tea brewing process. The kettle offers precise temperature settings for optimal extraction, allowing you to enjoy your tea at its best. The intuitive interface and easy-to-read LED screen make temperature adjustment a breeze. The gooseneck spout ensures a precise pour, and the ergonomic handle offers comfort and stability. With its sleek stainless steel design and 1-liter capacity, the OXO Brew kettle is an excellent choice for tea lovers who appreciate the art of pour-over brewing. 8. Bonavita Electric Kettle. Simplicity and excellence come together in the Bonavita BV38251OV electric kettle. Designed for discerning tea enthusiasts, this kettle excels in providing precise temperature control. Its gooseneck spout enables a steady and controlled pour, ensuring optimal saturation of the tea leaves. The kettle features a real-time temperature display and a hold button that maintains the desired temperature for up to 60 minutes. With a 1000-watt heating element, the BV38251OV quickly reaches your desired temperature. Thank you, guys, for watching.
Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we explore the latest appliance trends and technologies, providing expert opinions. Here, you'll get updated on the latest home appliance news and exclusive content. We also provide reliable service that uses the latest tools and technology to fix any appliance issues, ensuring flawless functionality. Also check out our website at www.ayappliancecompany.com for home appliance installation, repair, and home tech services. With just one click, you can book our services and have help on the way. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated on the latest in home appliances and technology.